Hi guys, I want to show you today guys. I'm here now in the room. Abroad in the back. But it's okay, not so noisy. Okay guys, we ride elevator now.
Okay, yeah.
And there's RJ. There is, we're going to swimming pool and have your TV, big TV here. Have there the pump, small
It's like
pump.
110 degrees at 10 o'clock.
Okay, go RJ, push. Well, let's see. Here he is. Oh, it's not noisy here, RJ. There he is. Two queen beds. Don't miss up, RJ.
Oh, you got the same one.
And there he is. Look at this view.
Mountain view is ugly. You want a pool view? You want to switch?
I not know. There he is.
Comes with water, but it's not free.
Don't touch it.
Okay, RJ, turn on the light. Where's the light now?
No.
RJ, where's it, the light? You can't find? I not know where's the light. Turn on. Oh, there he is. He found RJ. Wow, you found it, RJ, there. Oh, there he is. Oh no, what else? Oh, there. Have no light? There you go.
Push again.
The other one.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, turn off the other one. Maybe have to switch there, RJ.
Lost it.
There you go. Oh, there it is. And here is the two queen beds. I gave you a tour, guys. The room here. What's this, honey? I forgot.
Courtyard.
Courtyard Marriott.
Breakfast not included.
Oh. Breakfast is not included. There he is. Here's the...
You want to get another room?
Why?
The party.
It's not noisy here.
Good.
And here is the
You want to
table.
keep it?
Yes,
Mountain.
so
Check the
with
patio
this.
out. Does it work?
There is RJ. What's that there, RJ?
Be a fridge.
What? And there is.
But you can't drink this. Only
Yeah.
with $6.
Wow, $6. Expensive that, huh? Here. This is the drawer. Hi guys. I want to show you today, guys. I'm here now in the room. I want to show you what's look like our one night room here, guys. So, okay. Ug mao ni siya, guys. Ano siya ang table and have a bath. This is the bucket of ice. You want ice? Have a coffee. If you want to buy water, this is $6. Water. Expensive, huh? You want a coffee? Have that coffee maker. Then there is. And there is the aircon. And there is the light. And here is the two queen beds here. Here is. We get two queen beds because daddy here and me and RJ is there. And there is. Here is the what time now? 7:11. in evening now here, but still have light. Here is the telephone, and here is the style wall, have a style mini refrigerator here. There is have nothing there, but have here have water, $6. You can buy $6 that water. And there is a drawer here, drawer that, and have a TV. Maybe turn on this TV, LG TV. There is
certainty of travel helps to
Here's the mute. There is. And that there. And here is the little hallway. That's the front door. There is. And that's the mirror. And here is the sink. And I have other mirror. And have a trash can. And here have this iron. There it is. Here have there the hanger. And have plastic bag. Just slide. And this here bathroom, and have a bathtub, and have here the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's there. And there is the shower. There is. And have 3 towel. And that's it. Only that, guys. I can show you here. Hi guys, how are you? And have here a tissue, and this have a small soap, and maybe this is a lotion. Yeah, lotion. The lotion. And I want to show you guys the view here. Not so good. In the mountain have a sun. Oops. Here, oh, have no more sun now. That's better. Have no sun. There is. There is the view. Mountain view. What's luck? Is this luck? Oh, so hard. Here there is. Oh, private here. And have there the chair. Have 2 chair and other table. Yes. And this is it. The view. Look at this. Wow. A road in the back. But it's okay, not so noisy. Hi guys. So karon guys, ma-arrange na ko sa among mga luggage guys. Ako rin ibutang diri para maulit na ng cart. Okay. Go. upload ang mga videos. That RJ suitcase. Manya akong suitcase. This daddy suitcase. This daddy suitcase. Put here. Mine. Daddy stuff. There you go. Okay guys, and that's it for today. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye! Okay guys, we ride the elevator now.
Okay, yeah.
And there's RJ.
One.
We have to move too, we gotta push it. We gotta hold them up. Push it, he'll get upset.
Hi guys! And today we going to... Where's RJ? Lobby! Okay, there is it. What? What? What you doing, RJ? It's so far away, RJ. So far away. No, how many people there, RJ?
We'll buy $20 food. Each.
My
Grab it for
goodness.
$100.
And there is. You want to buy something here? Up here.
M&M.
What's RJ?
M&M.
And then what else there?
And peanuts. Or some chocolate.
RJ store.
Have a snacks here. Oh, have a, this is my favorite chick mix. And have there, RJ, the chocolate. RJ, you have ice cream. You want ice cream? There is ice cream.
I don't like.
All you don't like. And have drinks there.
It's a store.
Oh,
Yep.
I want.
No,
We got those
you have already. Okay, you go now.
One thing, guys.
No,
I
what?
really need half salad, half the time for salad.
Okay, go now. Okay, what you do? Here is, we're going to swimming pool and have your TV, big TV here. And here is, wow, so hot. Oh, so hot here, RJ.
What?
Yep. Where's the swimming pool, RJ?
That's it.
Look at that, RJ is. Come here, RJ.
Come.
There is the swimming pool. Yep. You do, RJ? And there is the swimming pool. It is super hot here. The escape gate close. Wow, balat.
I want to.
Lot of people
I
there.
want to go back.
The swimming pool. Up there the pump. Small
It's like
pump.
110 degrees at 10 o'clock.
See, nice honey if nighttime. Oh, if have light.
The weather said tomorrow,
Yeah.
115
Wow.
Fahrenheit.
Look at that there. There it is. Outdoor table. Fireplace there.
Yeah.
Okay, RJ.
Maybe get a chair, sit down. Look at
Okay, we sit down here. RJ, take me picture. Hey, hi guys! Karon, nabalik na mi sa room. Here's RJ. Here he is.
Hey, no more me.
Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
And you come me.
Bye-bye. See bye-bye, RJ.
Bye.
Bye.